So today I am underneath some stairs wiring up this underfloor heating manifold. So we're going to put actuators on all the heads to this Drayton underfloor heating controller, which is also part of the Drayton smart thermostat set they've got upstairs. And I'm wiring this up. So far I've got the pump in, but I've got to get the live, neutral and earth, put all the actuators in, and then pair up the thermostats and controllers and everything else to the main system and have it all up and running. So we'll get all that done, wired in, and have a quick look at what it looks like with all the wires, and then we'll get it up and running and tested. So we've completed the installation with the wiring. All the actuators are wired into the heating hub for the underfloor heating, and then with the cover off, you can see in there we've got all the wires for each actuator going into their respective zones. Got the pump in, got the switch wire back up to the zone valve. So it's all looking good, nice and neat. Customer's really happy, and that's up and running at the moment. So we have got zone 1, 2 and 3 up and running, and here is the thermostat that's linked. We will just turn that down, and then that will talk, and there we go. Zone 1 is off, and the actuators will start closing down for zone 1, which is E3. So that's nice and easy and all sorted. That's another Drayton heating system installed by DPJ Plumbing, Heating and Gas.